Thanks for tuning in and joining us for another Vance Hines FP4 tutorial, where today we're going to go over the rider support menu and its two key features. On the main menu, go to the lower right hand corner of the screen and press the support button. That'll pop up our rider support menu and you'll see upload ECU content. By pressing this, it will send the calibration that is currently in your motorcycle to our support staff for review, editing, and then give them the ability to modify it and send it back to you. Once that's done, you'll get an upload success prompt. And at this point, what you'll have to do is wait for an email response from a customer support team member. So after they make the changes to your map, they'll send you an email. You'll come back to this exact same rider support menu and you'll press the download map button, which will then save the updated file to a new map slot and flash it directly into your vehicle. Because flashing a downloaded map from the server does take some time, I do recommend installing a battery tender and having it plugged into your motorcycle through the process. Once it's done, you'll follow the on-screen prompts, and that's it. Your bike's been programmed with an FP4, and that custom rider support map is already flashed into your bike.